to create a single crochet, I've went ahead and chained 11 and single crocheted in the second chain from the hook and across, and I will show you how to create a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet, and it'll go for the chain as well. I like going into the back bumps of the chain so that I have a nice finish on the bottom in case I want to add, I don't know, a border to my project. I'll go in the back bumps of the chain, that way I can go ahead and put a border on whatever project I'm working on, and I don't have to guess where the stitches are. I can see where the stitches are. Okay, so I chained 1, which does not count as a stitch, and I'm going to single crochet into that first stitch, which is insert hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Let's do another one. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops. And you will repeat this all the way across. I'll show you one more way that we can do this. Okay, so at the beginning, I chained 1 to start my round, and I didn't count that chain 1 as a stitch. If you want to, you can take and chain 2, and that can count as a single crochet if that's what you want. I always do the chain 1 and start my round because it leaves a cleaner edge. But if you want to chain 2 instead, you can. It depends on what it is you're going for in your project. So let me show you that. Chain 2, turn your work. You will skip this first stitch here, and you will go into the next stitch, and you'll complete a single crochet. Now, I recommend that you put a stitch marker in the top of that chain 2 so that you know where your stitch is. That way you don't lose your stitch count and skip that stitch. Now I'll go ahead and complete this round all the way up to the chain and show you what that looks like. Okay, so I'm here at the end where my chain 2 is, and I'm going to put my hook into that chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that's the way you finish off the end. I hope the stitch tutorial helped you in creating a single crochet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.